What's up everyone, how you doing? So earlier today I was dreaming about a rhino. Can you believe that? Hi, I am Mouse and I'm from Africa. Welcome to my channel. Well, I think I've figured out what I'm going to do today. So now let's put my rainbow crocs on and it's time to sketch my dream on this sexy canvas. And boom! The sketch is done and it's time to put some delicious lines with the marker. Whoa! Twice as faster? Amazing! I have to say, I really love how it's coming up. It's awesome! So now, as you know, it's time to put some paint on it. And okay, I will start by painting the sky, baby. Wow, it is looking gorgeous so far. Oh yeah, and now my favorite part, guys. I will put some glue and some sawdust. And as I always say, guys, don't forget to use different tones of sawdust to make
the shades.
And now guys, remove the excess, please. It is messy right now. And tell me something, guys. Have you ever seen a rhino before? I wonder how it looks like.
Hoping I can help my people. Now that I do, everything changed. I grew up around the dope dealers, cold-blooded killers.
Wow, it's really coming up great. And right now I think I'm gonna have some coffee.
Living life loud.
Wow, delicious.
Different car, same country, different week.
100 days later and now I'm back to the studio. Lights on please. Wow, it worked. So now let's get back to it.
Look, I cannot lie.
Hold on guys. This is the Africa's coolest art channel, so please subscribe and support us.
Smoking, looking like I'm Chinese. Stack up, I just maintained in a week. Back up, but you don't wanna feel the heat. Had to make it out, made 100,000. Put it all away for a rainy day. We can pop shit, you talking hot shit, but you ain't bout that, so you don't want this. I got that big Glock, and that shit hits. We got big trees, come take a hit. 30 on me in the club. It ain't shit to drop a love. Pop a bottle of the bubble. Feeling love.
Yo guys, I'm really tired, so now let's play some songs and raise the mood up. Oh yeah, I'm so energized. Whoa, this is some big toes, huh? Finally guys, now we are done. So now enjoy the final shots, and if you don't like it, remember guys, I'm good at witchcraft, so see you in the next video.